Good night. Welcome to Tea Time with Lifetime Habit. Welcome. All right, tonight I am brewing via my infuser right here some Moringa leaf tea. Okay, so let me turn on my tea kettle and get that water boiled. This is one of my favorite glass cups. Hey, I love this. I drink everything in this, okay? Okay, so this is the Moringa leaf, and I uploaded 3 videos on Moringa leaf, so check those out, okay? Tonight I will be brewing a Moringa tea, and basically it's just gonna have the Moringa leaves, some lime. I have a lime tree in my backyard, so I picked one to put in this tea. You can sweeten it with whatever sweetener of your choice. I usually use raw, unfiltered, or local organic honey, but because I am drinking this before bedtime, I am not going to put any sweeteners in it at all, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and load this up with my moringa leaves. It's really easy to do. That's a lot. That's a lot actually. That's going to do quite nicely. Move that. Okay, so all I do now is I will drop this into my cup. I can also use a spoon or something and just let it hang, or I can use a knife actually, see? You can do it like that with a safer utensil, like a spoon. But I'm just going to drop it in here tonight. So there's all kind of different options. It's up to you, whatever works. I'm a really simple gal, so I do it my way. No stress. All right? So as we wait for the water to come up to a boil, moringa leaves are so good for your overall general good health, for your hair, your skin. It fights infections. I mean, everything. Just do your research on it, guys. I'm drinking this before bedtime because it's going to replenish and restore my body and just revitalize everything and keep me naturally healthy. So I encourage you to do the same for your body, okay? And tomorrow night I will show you a different type of tea. I'm a vivid tea drinker, so hey, it works for me. All right, I'm going to just carefully pour some water in here now. Water is really, really, really hot. Okay, so it goes from being clear in a couple of minutes. You can actually watch it. So it's clear right now. So I'll let it sit there for a couple of minutes and you will see the water gradually changes color. It's going to sink to the bottom. Yeah. So just going to let that infuse a little bit. It's already starting to turn green. So if you wanted to, basically I would like green tea tonight. So I just let that seep for maybe about 2 minutes. If I wanted to get stronger and it'll take on a little more like yellowish, color, then I would let it steep for about 4 to 5 minutes. But because I'm drinking it before bedtime, I don't want it really strong anyways. So I will give that about 1 more minute and then I will take that infuser out and we will proceed to add this lime that I picked off my tree. So I'm just going to move this out the way real quick. I'm going to cut this lime so I can squeeze at least half of it in there. Sometimes I use the skin. I would grate, but I won't do that tonight. That's another video. All right, so see the color is changing. You see that? It's actually changing color now. So for the sake of time and this video, so it won't be so long, I'm going to pull that out pretty soon so you can see the end product. Okay, but it's looking pretty good. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's changing color. All right, so I guess I can just leave that in there anyways. So go ahead and wash my hands real quick and then squeeze the lime in, and that will be the end of the video. Well, I wash my hands so that I can catch the seeds. The seeds are empty. That's a smart thing to do. See? Okay. Now sometimes I go ahead, because this is an organic lime and I've already washed it. I would just drop that in there too, but not tonight. Okay. All right. So there you have it. You can see that the color is starting to change. I'm going to let it seep just a little longer actually, and then I'm going to enjoy my moringa leaf tea. All right. So that's the infuser. See the color? I took it out, and now because I let it sit in there longer than I usually would, see the color change? So the longer you let it steep in there, the color gets stronger and, it gets a little bit darker. All right. So for me, that's a perfect color right now. Just going to take the infuser out real quick. Okay. Take this away. Just wipe up a little bit. And there you have it, guys. That's my tea. Quick and easy. It's going to be really good. It's going to go down good. It's going to do my body good. I am very excited to drink this. So at this point, if you like to add any kind of sweetener, you can go ahead and do so. But I don't recommend any sweetener, especially if you're going to drink it before you go to bed, So thank you so much once again for checking out my videos. I love you guys so much. If you have not subscribed us yet, please go ahead and do so. God bless you. Stay safe, and I will be back tomorrow night, same time. Well, it's actually after 10. So yes, the same time with another video showing you what I'm going to drink before bed, okay? So good night and God bless you.